our next pattern, we're going to be showing you a Copa. Copa has a different type of foot action. So we're going to start with 2 fifth position or 2 balance. That is, we step 1, a 2, 3, a 4. Now, the man steps forward with his left, the lady forward with her right, 1. We transfer our weight back and pull. Now, I step forward with my right, Melina with her left, 1 and pull. We transfer our weight again, 1 and pull. And now we finish with half a box, 1, 2. Do that again. This direction, 2 balance Sundays. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, and 4 side close.